Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm gonna make a real simple side dish tonight, which is zucchini. It's called crispy zucchini casserole, okay? Simple, very simple to put together. Let's start off with just putting a little bit of oil on the bottom of my pan, the pan that I'm gonna use to do to make the casserole in. I'm just brushing a little bit of oil on the bottom, and then we're gonna put some marinara sauce in there. Okay, get this out of my way for now. So, let's slice up these zucchini. Where did I put my knife? I thought I had it right here. Okay. Okay, we're doing good. It's a lot easier to use the mandolin to slice these because you want to keep them all the same width, thickness, all the same thickness. Okay, so let me put these over here for now because I need okay, let's put some paper towel in here. And we'll put that there, like that. Okay. I gotta buy myself a super duper mandolin. This is a little on the cheap side. I know it still works, but so what you're gonna need to make this is the sliced up zucchini. Then we're gonna slice up an onion. Okay? We're gonna pat this dry with the paper towel. Then what we're gonna do is we're going to put some pesto sauce. We're going to put some pesto sauce over the zucchini and the onion. Mix that all up. And then we're going to layer it in my casserole. Now, in the casserole, on the bottom of the casserole, you put a little bit of oil, olive oil, and we're going to put some marinara sauce. Okay, so we're going to put the marinara sauce all on the bottom. Then we're going to take this zucchini, which is going to be mixed with the pesto sauce. We're going to layer it on top. Then we're going to drizzle a little bit more oil on the top. Then we're going to put some Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs and throw it in the oven. I believe it's at 375 for about half an hour. Then the last, I would say 5 minutes, about the last 5 minutes, we're gonna put the broil on. And we're gonna broil it so that it gets a little bit crispy on the top. Gotta get the holder for the onion, because I really don't feel like, I really do not feel like cutting up my fingers. Not today. Okay, let me see where I put this holder. Okay, I don't know where I put that holder. You know what? I feel better just cutting this like this. Like I said, I'm not in the mood to have my fingers cut up today. Okay, so this will have to do for today. Okay, so we're done with that. You know, zucchini has a lot of water. Zucchini has a lot of moisture. So we're just going to dry it up as much as we can. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, now that we got that dried up, okay, we're going to put our pesto sauce. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. That should be enough. Oh, that smells amazing. Okay, that really smells good. Okay, so now we have our casserole that I'm going to put everything in. Now, I did not make sauce. I'm using the marinara sauce from Costco's. You can use any marinara sauce that you have on hand, or you can make your own. So we're just going to cover the bottom of the pan of the casserole dish. Like that. Okay? And now we're going to just layer this on top. Okay, so that's one nice thick layer. Okay, one nice thick layer. Now we're going to put some cheese. This is fresh Parmesan cheese. We'll put a little bit of that. Okay. And we're going to put some breadcrumbs. Just a little bit of breadcrumbs. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to put another we're going to put the remaining zucchini with the onion. Beautiful. Now we're going to put a whole bunch of the Parmigiano on top. Okay. Put a nice layer of breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can also use the panko. I like using the breadcrumbs. Okay. Then, I also like putting a little bit of crushed red pepper. Just like that. And that's it. That's going to go in the oven, 375. Take it out in about 25 to 30 minutes. Last 5 minutes, put your oven on broil just to crispen up the top. And that's it. Beautiful side to have in the summertime next to your steak or chicken, right? You can have this any time of the year, actually. Well, whenever zucchini is at a good price to buy. And we're going to have this tonight with a piece of chicken on the side. That's it. See you in a bit.